What up? This is Chase Bruner. I'm coming to show you some antique cars I just seen these people got out over here. Let's take a look and see what we can see. Let's see, a Buick 8. Oh, damn, look how clean this thing is. Dang. This thing is cool. Huh. Golly. Well, he got some custom stuff down there. A special. What? Dynaflow. What? Look at that pipe on the back. Dang, that thing is sweet. Man, that thing is cool. What? Look at the inside. Dang, that is cool. Dang, look at that front bumper. That thing is pretty cool. Look at that, it's like a bullet on the front. Huh. Oh, look at this one. Woo! Sniff and scratch, but don't touch. Dang. Look how clean this thing is. Holy moly. What? Dang, look at the trunk on this thing. This thing is sweet. Wonder what type this is. Dang, he got a custom dash and everything in it. Dang, them fenders is really cool. That front end grill, dang, that thing is sweet. Oh, look at this one. Dang, this one's pretty cool. Dang, look how the hood pops on the side. Dang. Look at the dash in there. What? Dang, it looks like a sofa in there. Dang, that thing is clean. Holy moly, look at them pipes. Dang, it must be a gas tank and another gas tank. Must be. Dang, that thing is cool. These big sides you get to step on. Get up in there. Dang. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's look at this one. Woo! Look at this antique Volkswagen Bug. 1975 it says on it. Dang. Convertible. What? Look at the inside. That looks pretty cool. Fuel injection. Ooh, dang. Look at that big bumper on the back. That is pretty cool. Look at them pipes. Oh, that's pretty cool. Volkswagen. That thing is pretty sweet. It reminds me of that little Herbie or something. Look, it got a handle on the front. You press button. Oh, look at this one. Dang, this one's clean. Look at the flames going down it. Dang, look how the tires and stuff are. Lights right beside the tire. Gotta pop the whole side. It looks like it flips over. Dang, looks like they chopped the top on this one. It's lower than the front. Dang, look at these big tires. Golly, look at this huge fuel tank. Woo, dang. That light bar is pretty cool, look. Put that light bar on there. Clown on it. Dang, that thing is pretty. Look at that huge shifter in it. It comes way up. Dang, those are some pretty ones. Oh, it looks like it has a thing you could put in it to crank it right there. Dang, them are some sweet rides. They got another one back there that looks real sweet. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.